Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer Google Play Store balance to your bank account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to transfer your Google Play Store balance to your bank account is not possible. You cannot transfer your Google Play balance directly to your bank account. Google Play balance is intended solely for digital purchases and cannot be converted into cash or used to fund transactions outside the Google Play Store. So there is also no direct option to change or transfer your balance from your Google Play Store to any other Google accounts. However, if you are using a child account, then you can probably send it to your main account if you have the family plan option. So this answer is clear. You can simply not transfer your balance to your bank account by your Google Play Store. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.